Hey, I want to thank this brand for sending this to us. If you think you can't afford a bidet, this is what you need. It's very inexpensive. It's very easy to attach. My husband's going to hook it up and show you how easy it is. Bidets are life-changing. I just think everybody should have them. It's just so hygienic, and I just love, love, love them. And check this one out.
Okay, so we're going to install it. Easy enough. I took the toilet seat off. We're going to reuse the bolts for the toilet seat, because this will sit right here like this. See these little horseshoe things? They'll sit right there. We'll put the toilet seat back on and bolt it right up from underneath, using what was already there, so you don't even need extra. And the seat will sit there, and then I'll hook up the water right there. Okay, got it installed. Very easy, just like I said. 2 bolts in the back. If you need a spacer that's higher, you put the higher spacers in, so the seat, it's got the little bottle right here it comes with. It's got, that's kind of, I guess it's scent. That's a lemon scent, so you just push that when you want that to happen, and you can see here how it works. I'm going to turn it on. See how it's spraying? You go like this, and it adjusts to another sprayer that comes out a little further, and that's how it works.